Hi guys, this is Mark Shahzin, the Pattern Trader. Recently, Prashant sent me this email. In his email, Prashant says, "Hey Mark, I don't imagine you get a lot of emails from former master pattern traders. Master Pattern is a program that we offer every Friday where I go live into the markets. I joined your Master Pattern program 2 years ago and left early last year to trade on my own independently. My goal when I joined the program was to educate myself on technical analysis and risk management. I believe learning a skill is much more important than hot tips. I started off with a $20,000 account and began using all of your learnings. There were ups and downs along the way, but eventually I hit a couple of home runs in silver and several other stocks. My account is now over $80,000, a fourfold increase in a year, and I can sleep at night trading. I was very inspired by both your personal story and how you turned $19,000 into several millions. I don't know how to thank you for the knowledge and inspiration. I still regularly follow your videos and learn and validate my analysis. I would love to meet you in person someday if I get a chance. Thanks and best wishes to you and your family." So Prashant, that was a fantastic review. You really just validate, all my intentions and objectives when I started the Pattern Trader, which was to make our members independently successful, make them consistent winners in the market. My interest is not a financial one from our members, but really to increase their learnings and educate them. And Prashant, you just validated everything that I intended to do from the start. And I would be very happy to meet you at some point in the future if our paths cross. So, over the break, I was, thinking a lot on how I wanted to position my portfolio going into 2021. We had a huge run up in just a handful of stocks, the FANG stocks, which are, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. And I thought, I want to just find some hidden gems. Those have already incurred, tremendous run up. I think that this year is going to be more or less a year of consolidation, but I think it's going to be, a stock picker's paradise. And to that end, I think I've found a stock that is really going to lift my portfolio. Now, hidden within that sentence is a clue as to, what I'm looking at, which is the stock of Lyft, spelled L-Y-F-T. That is actually also the ticker symbol, LYFT. It's got a huge, gigantic, bullish price pattern that, to my mind, this stock can only go one way, and that's northward. So in a minute, I'm going to go to the real-time charts, show you what I'm looking at on Lyft. This is the live chart of the stock Lyft, ticker symbol LYFT. This is a long-term chart that tracks the company's price history ever since it came public a couple of years ago. And as you can see that we had a long-term downtrend since the opened around 80, went all the way to 20 at the height of the pandemic. But that was then and this is now. And right now I'm seeing the stock of Lyft tracing out a very exciting price pattern in the form of a huge W pattern or a double bottom. Now we look to confirm this double bottom. Very often we see shapes in the market, but we look for confirmation in the form of the breach of a neckline. So you can see the neckline is simply the line that runs throughout the entirety of the pattern, and you can see right here at $40 we breached the neckline, and now we are at this second level of resistance between $52 and $50. So again, what I'm looking at is this W-shaped pattern, this double bottom, where you have two pokes at this $20 level. Each time it was successful, and then you came through the neckline, which effectively confirms this long-term double bottom price pattern. Now you can see that we also have what I call a key reversal, where this month the stock attempted to go lower, and right now we are trading at the high of the month. So this is a key reversal where price reverses and points in the direction it wants to go. So we have a combination of a price pattern and price action. Everything is a green light suggesting this stock is going to go much higher. I hope you got a ton of value out of this analysis. If you want to learn more about how I analyze the markets, then I highly encourage you to register for my upcoming webinar series, where each day at the end of the market, I'm going to go live into the market and show you how I execute trades. What are the trades that I look at for, high value risk reward setups, and, how I also reject trades. So, of all the trades I look at, I'm only trying to find one or two that, are high quality, that I understand the risk, and also where on, how to, catch the momentum. So we had thousands of members on our last webinar series. So we, are going to do another one in just a few days. Our team's going to send you, a host of emails so that you can sign up. So, I encourage you to get your spot soon, because I anticipate that we will fill up and run out of spots. So with that said, I wish you a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I will see you next time.